Hello again. We're back here in our kitchen, and today for our cooking lesson we're going to give you a little instruction about setting a table. Because we've been making so many great snacks, now you need to know how to set your table, right Evelyn? To eat all your snacks. So can you take two strong hands on the tray, Evelyn, and show me how heavy it is?
It's not heavy at all.
It's not heavy at all, so she would be able to carry this to her station at school to set the table. So Evelyn, I'd like you to take this ring off of the placemat. We're going to align our napkin kind of in the center where we want to eat. Can you unroll it for me, Evelyn?
Okay.
Yeah, so this is our place setting napkin. So if you have an old cloth at home, you can just draw with a Sharpie the place setting on your napkin. Okay, so Evelyn, I'd like you to start with, if we were at school, we would count how many friends we had and how many places we had to set. So we would ask, who's here today? And you could name off some of your friends in your class. But today it's just you, so we're just going to set the table for yourself. Okay? Now, we've got, we're going to start with our dish. Here's our tray that has some dishes. Can you hold this tray with two hands, Evelyn? And show me how heavy it is?
Not heavy at all.
Not too heavy. So she's going to start with her bowl. Can you place that right in the middle on the circle? Yeah, that's where her bowl is going to go. Now we're going to do our fork. And when you're handling eating utensils, only use the handle part. You don't want to touch the part that goes in your mouth, because then you'll get too many germs in your mouth. So this one goes right here. Here's the spoon. Can you put it on that side, Evelyn? And the cup, we want to hold it nicely like this with our thumb here and our hand underneath. Can you hold the cup like that, Evelyn? And place it down on its spot. Very nice.
What about that bowl?
Yep, we're going to get that in a minute. Now I'm going to get my napkin. And we'll place the napkin right here next to the fork. Can you put it here? Yeah. Great. Is it looking ready to go? I think so. Now, we did do a little bit of flower arranging today, so we're going to put our flowers right in the middle to make our table beautiful like this. Maybe over here so you can still see our setting. Doesn't it look nice? Oh, that's okay. The flowers are shedding. Okay. Now, we're going to get our food and get ready to serve. So, Evelyn, would you like some popcorn?
Yes.
Here you go. Today we're having popcorn for our snack. That's one of our favorite snacks.
2 scoops.
2 scoops, okay. And Evelyn also chose for her snacks hot chocolate. What a silly snack we're having today. Evelyn, with 2 strong hands, will you pour your hot chocolate into your cup? Now, Evelyn's doing a good job. Are you thirsty?
Yes.
Ooh, she's going to drink all of it. So if Evelyn made any drips, she could use her napkin like this to catch the drips. Okay? And now we can enjoy our snack. So when we're done, of course, we're going to clean up and do our dishes. Thanks for joining us.